So, you need a set of financials in order to file your business tax return, but your QuickBooks file is a mess. You can't just give the file to your accountant because you still need to be able to invoice your customers from day to day. No worries. QuickBooks for Desktop offers what's called the Accountant's Copy. The Accountant's Copy allows your accountant to work on cleaning up your prior data while you simultaneously continue to enter the current activity. So, here's how you do it. Open your QuickBooks file, click on the File tab, then Accountant's Copy. This step differs from version to version, so you may have to select Send Company File or Utilities to see the Accountant's Copy selection. Then you have two options: Save File or Send to Accountant. With Save File, you get the option to save the Accountant's Copy transfer file to your computer and then send that to your accountant on your own through a portal or email. Sometimes the file is too large to email, so the second option would work best in that case. With the Send to Accountant option, QuickBooks will send a download link to your accountant's email for you. So you just have to complete a very short wizard giving QuickBooks the data it needs to do so. When creating the Accountant's Copy, you will see that QuickBooks asks you for a dividing date. This is the end date of the period your accountant is working on. For example, if your accountant is working on cleaning up your books for 2014, you will select 12/31/2014 as the dividing date. Keep in mind that this will prevent you from adding, editing, or deleting any transactions on or before that date. As the name suggests, it is the date that divides what you're working on from what your accountant will be working on. After that, you can communicate with your accountant to be sure they have the login info for your file, if it is password protected, of course. Then you're good to go. Finally, once your accountant is done with their work, the changes they have made will need to be imported into your file using the Accountant's Copy Changes file. This is what your accountant will create. No worries, this is only a 2 or 3 click process. Oh, and I must mention, while the Accountant's Copy is with your accountant and you are working on your end, you may notice an option called Remove Restrictions in the Accountant's Copy section under the File tab. It will make the current Accountant's Copy void if selected, so any work your accountant may have done cannot be transferred back into your file. So never select that unless your accountant instructs you to do so. If you have any questions or any issues come up with your particular file, don't hesitate to let us know. I think we've just about seen it all.